Engine oil pumps are the unsung heroes beneath your car's hood, quietly keeping your engine lubricated and cooled. But when they fail, it's a bit like waking up and finding out your morning coffee machine is broken, except this can cost thousands in repairs. One common cause of oil pump failure is debris. Uh, Metal shavings or carbon deposits might sneak into the oil, clogging the pump and stopping it from circulating oil properly. Um, you wouldn't want your breakfast smoothie with chunks of metal, would you?
Yeah, you wouldn't have to talk about what, like, absolutely a complex.
Low oil levels are another notorious culprit. When the oil level drops, it struggles to reach the pump, um, causing it to run dry. Imagine trying to swim without water. It's not a pleasant experience for your engine either. Wear and tear play a significant role in oil pump failure, much like the pair of sneakers I had for 5 too many years. Over time, the pump components wear out, lose efficiency, and eventually fail to distribute oil correctly. High oil viscosity might sound fancy, but in reality, it's trouble. If the oil's too thick, it can't flow properly through the engine or pump, similar to trying to sip a milkshake through a coffee stirrer. Now, oil contamination is something you don't want. Dirty oil carries particles that can clog or cause damage to the pump and engine, a bit like sand in your sandals on a nice day at the Portland beaches. A blocked oil passage restricts oil flow, reducing lubrication to critical components. Imagine trying to drink through a bent straw. It doesn't get you what you need efficiently. So blocked passages leave your engine thirsty and vulnerable. Faulty oil pump relief valves can stick or malfunction, causing either too much or too little oil pressure. It's a bit like a leaking faucet, annoying and potentially costly if ignored, leading to engine damage. Neglecting regular oil changes is akin to wearing the same socks for a month. Avoid this by maintaining a schedule. Old, worn-out oil loses its lubrication properties, leading to increased engine wear and potential pump failure. Oil leaks are silent saboteurs. They reduce the amount of oil available for the pump, which can lead to overheating and eventual breakdown. Not unlike trying to run a marathon on an empty stomach. Not recommended. Improper installation can be another issue. This might include incorrect alignment or tensioning of the oil pump, which can cause operational problems. Similar to assembling IKEA furniture without reading the manual. Frustrating and ineffective. Operating your vehicle with low quality oil can also be problematic. Cheap oils often lack the requisite additives and properties for long-term protection and performance, much like using dish soap instead of shampoo for your hair. It's just not right. Pro tip, always use the oil grade recommended by your car maker and follow maintenance schedules strictly. And this simple habit keeps your oil pump and engine performing optimally, saving you money and headaches in the long run.